Okay, I think that this has been longer than 45 minutes because I thought I set the timer on this bad boy and I don't think I did. So anyways, we're past autolyze. You can see it's a little smoother already, but we're gonna start what it's called the stretch and fold. So this is the first kind of starting to get the gluten to develop and the dough to start smoothing out. So clean hands, obviously, but wet hands. So just want to run them under just so they're nice and wet. You can pick it up. The wet hands keeps it from sticking to you too much. So see some gluten development already. So we're stretching it out. There's a couple different methods that people do. One is called, this one that I'm doing, I can't remember what it's called. So stretch and fold, when you watch videos, is usually people going like this. They're picking it up and folding it onto itself. And then rotating the bowl, picking it up, folding it onto itself. Again, I'm sticky. I'm gonna wet my hands again. And so you're just kind of doing this gentle folding. This is, again, like when you're doing other kinds of breads, you do really aggressive kneading for gluten development because it's rising really fast. So I think the nice thing about this is that you slow and low. It does take you a while, but so I usually do this one till I kind of get a nice smooth ball going. So again, the ones where you pick it up and fold on itself, there's also these where you pick it up in the middle and it folds in half and you kind of roll with that. I feel like when I watch people do it in videos, they look better than what I'm doing. But as we can tell from my loaf, what I'm doing is working. So don't know that it's an exact science. You're just kind of going from that loose to a smoother consistency in the dough. I'm pretty sure this is all about gluten development. Okay, so it's a nice ball. Nothing too fancy. Now that I've formed my kind of initial ball, I'm gonna do, you can do 4 to 6 of these. I usually do about 6, and I do them for every half hour. So I'm gonna do it on this one because it's loud and I know it'll get my attention. I'm doing like 1,000 different things. I'm dry brining Janice's turkey, so I've got my dry brine over here. I'm making spinach dip for work tomorrow and feeding my tortoises. So sorry about the delay, but this is next step. And then I'll show you a demonstration of kind of a stretch and fold here and there. And then what it looks like when it's kind of all done and it's ready for its bulk fermentation. Okay.